I hope you had a really good day so far. But you know what? It's about to get even better because I'm here. Duh. You guys wanted more makeup videos, so here I am. I'm obviously not getting ready to go anywhere, but doing my makeup and just sitting around the house seems to be fun for some reason. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm probably also gonna be getting some pictures in because my Instagram's really been dry lately. It's just time I get back. So I've been feeding off a lot of inspiration lately and I kind of have a few looks in mind that would make really cool like Instagram content. I hate the word content. But yeah, I think they make really cool Instagram pictures. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's gonna be fun. And yeah, let's do it. I completely forgot to tell you guys. To make this a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna challenge myself to only use one brand makeup products for the whole look. I've never done this before, but I've seen YouTubers do it and I feel like it makes it more interesting. So we're gonna try it out. And the brand I'm gonna be going with is obviously Too Faced. I recently did a collaboration with them on Instagram. They just launched in India and a lot of you guys wanted to see like makeup looks with their products, probably to see if you would be interested in buying them. So I feel like it would be really fun to incorporate it into this video. Obviously this isn't sponsored, but you know, anyone from Too Faced is watching, hit me up. I'm always down to collab with y'all. But this is generally one of my favorite brands, so this is gonna be super fun. I kind of still have to figure out what look I'm going for. So I have a few inspo pictures, but I'm gonna mix them up a little bit and kind of do my own thing. There's a good chance this might turn out to be disastrous because I've never really tried it before, but we're gonna give it a try. Because if you don't take risks in life, I'm not gonna get good Instagram pics. So I kind of cheated a little bit. I already have my base on. I didn't really own like Too Faced foundation. I'm gonna cheat again because I don't own a Too Faced concealer. I think these are probably the only two things that won't be Too Faced, but concealer is a must, so I kind of have to. So I usually go in with concealer after my eyeshadow, but for now I'm just gonna put it on my eyelids because this is gonna be an interesting look and I feel like it needs concealer. I think I'm gonna zoom y'all in. And then I have the Shadow Insurance Primer. I'm gonna be using the Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. This is the prettiest palette ever. As always, I'm gonna go in with a transition shade. This just really sets the tone for how I do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using its Cashmere nudish brown shade, not too dark, not too light. I've been loving the elongated like fox eye look, so I've been taking my eyeshadow outside recently. It just makes it fun and fresh, kind of lifted Bella Hadid vibes. Okay, now that we have that set, I'm gonna do my eyebrows because they're annoying me. I've been trying really hard to like tweeze them whenever they grow out a little bit. If I let my brows be, it just looks so bad because I have like thick and curly hair. There we go. Instagram baddie brows. Not really. The step decides if this look is gonna be a success or not. Basically what I'm gonna do is, instead of putting blue eyeshadow all over my lid, I'm gonna be shadow lining it with this blue color. It's called Silver Spoon. So the blue is sort of getting everywhere. Just gonna fix it with some concealer, clean it up. This happens to me a lot every time I use dark shades, but I really didn't want to do like the usual pink rose gold look. I wanted to switch it up. I like letting the concealer just sit. You know how people when they bake they let the powder just sit? I let the concealer sit because it really conceals when I let it do that. So I'm currently filming this video as the sun is setting. I used to be all about that overexposed sunlight Instagram picture thing, and I probably still will go back to it because I mean, who doesn't love a highly color corrected just glowing picture? But recently I've kind of been into like night portraits, like strong flash, just harsh lighting. I don't know what it is, but it's been fun to play around with. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are done, our eyes are not done, our base is done, we go in with, you guessed it, contour. I have my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I have my Too Faced bronzer. It's like chocolate. That's my favorite part. All their products, like, oh my god, guys, do any of y'all feel like we're living the same day again and again? Like, I seriously, I'm not kidding, it literally feels like that episode of Vampire Diaries. Damon and Bonnie are stuck in like that alternate universe and they have to live the same day again and again because of like the prison world. Yeah, quarantine's literally been like that. Like, I swear to god, it was March yesterday. How are we already in May? When did that happen? I used to hate this part, but now I love it. And that is, my friends, Blush time! Okay, I have to say, Too Faced blushes are the prettiest things in the whole entire world. I mean, look at this. It makes me feel like a princess owning this. This part, it makes my heart beat faster. Like, let's go mess it up. We're making a really thin line on the top and then a thicker line on the bottom. It's gonna be cool, I promise you. Unless it's not, then I'm gonna do it off camera, sorry. There used to be a time where I was actually getting good at this, but no, you know what? We're in the middle of a global pandemic and the times are just not the same anymore. We can't expect it to be the same as it was before. We can't do eyeliner like we used to before. It's just not possible, you guys. I'm just so over this being a disaster. I'm trying to do this on the bottom. Please pray for me. I don't know how I feel about this. It's definitely very edgy. I don't know, I just wanted to try out something like new, out of the box, take a risk, make it look kind of cool. But we're gonna try and make it work because it's still just Instagram and you can like get away with a lot of things when it's just going on Instagram. Yeah, fuck being pretty all the time. Let's have fun with our makeup. I'm probably gonna wash it tomorrow anyway, so I think let's gel it down, do like a sleek little cute look. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to because no. Clearly you can see I've cut my own hair because they're not even the same height. I'm gonna go in with like a lip shade and everything, but before that I just want to do the hair because like I want to know if it look cute, you know. I have this thing called the Way Finishing Cream. I don't have gel at home, so I also use it as my gel. It's like cream hairspray. It works pretty well. Since the eyes are so edgy, I have to make sure this is just as edgy, you know. The hair and the makeup is going to be the focus, so I really have to like make it go, you know. That's the only way I'll get the vibe. Ooh, what if I... Oh my god, my bangs are so messed up. This is like the worst I could have got them. Okay, so I did a few ratchet things since we last spoke. First of all, I changed because I didn't want my sweatshirt to get dirty. Then I went in my dad's room to get gel because, you know, I figured like men usually have gel. He doesn't. So I'm gonna be using oil. Literally ratchet ass coconut oil. So for my outfit, we haven't spoken about my outfit. I don't have much planned since we are doing more of like portrait shots. This isn't gonna be that much of an outfit post. More just like my face because that's so cute. This kind of jewel blue color, I feel like Diamante accessories look really pretty. I see the look coming together now. I like it. But how do I see this? You know what I always wanted to do? No, I can't. But that would, no, I absolutely can't. I'm gonna burn my, oh my god. When you like spray hairspray and then you like have a lighter and oh my god, that's I can't do that. Why am I even thinking about it? That is, I would burn my house down. For lipstick, I use Dolce Que. It's by Kylie Cosmetics. It's like a cool tone brown. I'm into that. I completely forgot the best part. The best part about this entire palette and Too Faced, and like I'm working really fast because it's blinking, but like the highlighty shades, like do you see these? They're like real pressed glitter shades and they're absolutely my favorite thing in this entire world. And I love topping off my looks with them because they completely transform it. For highlight, we're going to be using the Too Faced Diamond Light highlight, and this is the cutest packaging in the world. It's literally like a little ring box. How cute. And light this on. It is so gorgeous. Never want to get rid of any of this packaging. It's so freaking cute. I already went on with this, but for lip gloss, I actually used Too Faced Lip Injection. So this is, it's for like plumbing your lips. You're supposed to put it on before lipstick, but I just put it on as lip gloss because it has this like really pretty like shimmer shine in it, and does sting a little bit, but it makes your lips look like really plump and nice and very Instagram. That, my friends, is the finished makeup look. I'm not gonna lie, I was very stressed. Didn't think it was gonna turn out this cute. It's everything I wanted. It's like out there, it's taking a risk. It makes a statement, and I actually really like that. Not everyone would really like this, but I had a lot of fun playing with it, and I think I came up with something really cute. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of mad at myself for being mad at myself because this is hella cute. I am so into this. Like, it's like Euphoria fashion editorial meets like Instagram baddie. I don't know, it's fun, it's different. I really like that I took a risk, and I actually really love it. I feel like the eyes were a little much at the start, but like with the whole look together, it just looks so cute. I had to go with this dress. I just feel like it went so well with the jewel tones of the blue, and just the material, the way it shines, it just goes perfectly with the eyes and the earrings. It's just, I love the whole mix. We came through at the end, and I am so not mad at the results. I'm gonna go take my Instagram pictures now. I don't know if I'll vlog that or like show you all much of that, but if you want to know how I take my Instagram pictures or like how I do my photo shoots at home, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll definitely make one of those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I already said that, but you know, just in case you haven't done it, do it. And yeah, I'll see you really soon. Bye. I'm so happy with it. And we pulled off the whole two-faced thing for like the most part. Eyeliner. I knew that. I feel like it starts coming together. I forgot how to speak. I have no clue what I'm doing. I need to chill. My heart just got stuck. Keeping the air conditioning off while wearing a sweatshirt in the middle of May in Mumbai is not a fun time, let me just tell you that. Also, I'm wearing like 5 layers of clothes, don't ask me why. I always have like a brain crisis, like my brain just stops working about what to wear when I'm filming a video, and it's just so weird, and it's like I'm just rambling and I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. Why is it that when you want to find something you can never find it? Okay, I found it. Okay, now I can't open this. Wow. Okay, wow.